Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here with you. Today I have a question for you guys. Have you heard about the apple cider vinegar and the honey mixture? How it could be beneficial for your hair? So we will discuss about all these things in this video, so stay connected and now we are going to start it. Many people have the habit of ingesting this combination while fasting to have more energy and to improve their general health. But did you know that this mixture, besides helping to strengthen our body, it's also good for hairs? Honey and apple vinegar have healing properties, and when combined their benefits are even stronger. Honey is rich in a mineral salt, amino acids and alpha-hydroxy acid that helps seal the porous and the brittle hairs. Using honey on the damaged hair can help restore and strengthen them. Besides that, honey is super nutritious and can work as a powerful moisturizer, being able to keep humidity inside the hairs, keeping it protected and soft. Oh, another benefits of using honey on your hairs don't stop here. It also works as a natural conditioner since it has strong emollient power. Isn't it amazing? And if that wasn't enough, honey also helps with hair growth. Apple vinegar, on the other hand, is highly recommended for the brittle, porous or oily hair since it helps to seal it. Apple vinegar has an acid pH which helps to close open cuticles and other consequences and the frizz and give more shine to hair. That is fantastic, right? How to do this natural treatment at home. So guys, now we are going to final part of the video where I will let you know all about this. How to use this natural treatment at home? Wash your hairs with your usual shampoo, lather and rinse. After that, gently dry the tips of your hairs to remove the excess water. So guys, that was a simple solution. What you have to do, just need to prepare a mixture with apple cider vinegar and honey and apply on your hairs. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other interesting and a useful solution. Till that time, take care.